for the life I chose. Mama said I was born too mean, raised by the wind in a restless dream. Never could stay, never could kneel, ain't got a home, just a set of wheels. I hear him talking, say I won't last, but I leave them all in the dust. I pass. Oh, I'm a highway renegade, burning miles, never looking back. Ain't no chains, ain't no grave gonna hold me down. I was born this way. Let her wail, let her ride. Barstool beds and motel lights, spent last week in a knockdown fight. Ain't no preacher calling my name, this kind of living don't come with shame. I got no past, I got no plans, just a heavy foot and a reckless hand. Oh, I'm a highway renegade, burning miles, never looking back. Ain't no chains, ain't no grave gonna hold me down. I was born this way. Let away, let ride. Some men settle, some men pray, some keep driving till they fade away. Oh, yeah, let her wail, let her ride. Oh, I'm a highway renegade, burning miles, never looking back. Ain't no chains, ain't no grave gonna hold me down. I was born this way.